Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a login and registration form using Firebase and React Router DOM. Alright, so it's very simple. We'll start with the general markup, then we're going to dive into uh, the functionality of this application. So first of all, you can see when you come to the home page here, it's just the login form. If you don't have account, you can click here, create an account, and this one is through React Router DOM. All right, we have done that through that, and so I can create here. Let me grab an email from temporary email here. All right, and I can paste in that, and I can create my password like so. All right, you can see now it has redirected us back to the login page. Now I can just write the password that I created and login, and you can see that it has now taken us to the dashboard and the email of the logged in user. All right, and also on the dashboard you have the logout button, and when you click it, logout, it will log you out and it will take you back to login page. All right, and in case you've forgotten your password, you can just click here, forgot password, and you can enter your email here. So in case you don't enter anything, there's nothing happening. When you enter something that is not correct, it's going to give you the error. All right, and if you enter the correct thing, the correct email, like so, reset password, it's a reset link sent to your email. You'll receive that, the success message. All right, and when you come back to here, email, you can see you have that that link that has been sent to your email here. This email, you can customize it the way you want in Firebase. All right, so I can just click here. All right, and I can change my password and put this one. All right, let me copy that, okay, and save like so. So when I come back to login, I've pasted that, then I need the email, so I can't remember it. I need to go back, yeah, copy, and login. You can see I've been able to change my password correctly. You can see the one that I've logged in with. So that's our application we are going to create, and hope you will find this video interesting and you will learn a lot. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, and let's continue. So let's start off by creating our React application, and we're going to use a Vite. So let's say npm create Vite at latest. So let's name our project. We are going to name it Firebase auth. Let's use React and JavaScript, and okay. So let's open our file by just writing code and a period, and it will open our file, and we can close this one. Okay, so we have here our file, yeah, like so, and I can run is, let me open my terminal. Let's run our application. Okay. So as you can see, this is our React application. It's very simple. So now we are going to deal with that. So right now I don't need this, I don't need all of this, I also don't need all of this, I also don't need this one, like so. So I'm going to use the app.css, but in that app.css, let's go and delete everything. So I don't want everything there. I also don't want everything on index.css. Okay, like so. And we are going to start from scratch. Okay, so the first thing I need to do, let's create our login page. Okay, so let's come to this src, and we are going to create a folder, and we are going to name it component. All right, and no, let's name it components, not components, because we are going to have different components there. And the first one, let's have login.jsx, like so. And I'm going to use this this shortcut to create the boilerplate. All right, like so. Then here we are going to have, let's create a form here. Let's create and we are going to have form, and inside form we need to have input with type of text and placeholder, enter your email, like so. And I also want to have a label on top of that, and I'm just going to say enter email, like so. Then let's create another input, and this one is for our password, to put our password, and input type is password, like so, and placeholder, like so. All right, then let's add a button for submit. Right, let's put this one and we are going to call this one sign in, or let me say login, like so. So we are going to style this form a little bit, and let me import it on this. Import login, like so, and like so. So let's see how it looks like. Now it's just like this, right? And yeah, so let's start styling that. we are going to have here a class name of container, like so. And also on form we are going to have class name of let's say inputs wrapper, like so. Alright, so let's start styling that. And the first thing I'll do, I'm going to grab my CSS reset. So you don't need to do this manually. You can just let me see, I can't remember which one I use. I think it's this one. Yeah, so I'm going to copy all of this. These one are CSS reset, and it will help me like so. And let's also import Google Fonts in our application. And let's use which one? Let me just grab this. Let's use this one, regular. And bold. So we have there 400 and 700 for bold. So I'm going to import this on my style sheet at the top. Like so. And let's also add that font family, this one. Let's go to body and add that like so. And our font weight will be, let's use the 400. Yeah, I think it was 400 for the normal one. For the regular, yeah, 400. Okay, and font size, let's say 1.3 rem. Yeah, like so. I think that's okay. Yeah, I think that's better. So and we need to put that everything at the center. All right, so I'm going to use the display flex, display of flex, and justify content center and align item center. And of course we need a height here of 100 view height. All right, that's all for there to center it. All right, then let's now go to container. All right, to our container, so that we can set it. So let's go to like so. Let's also use display flex here, and we want to do what we want to justify content center. And I want to put let's display the the items as column, so like so, and I'm going to add the padding, okay, so that each items there is a space between the items and the container, like so. And let me refresh. Okay, there is okay, I know what's this one should be on. Yeah, it's working properly because we have this one first item and this one is our second item, which is form, right? So I can now grab this one, and also I want to add the same styles, and yeah, but I don't think I need the spacing, so let's just do this. Yeah, just like that, so that I want them to be in line with the login, like so. Okay, and let's come to our container, and we need to add some border. Let's use some border box, right? Border box. And what I'm going to do, and let me come here and say border box, border box. Border box shadow. I just want to put a shadow there, and I don't want to do it by myself, so I just want to grab some here. So let's grab just this one, okay, and I think it's very simple, just like that. And now when you come here, you will see that box have been added there. All right, so now we can go to styling our inputs. All right, so let's go back to here, and let's say input, and like so. And on input we want to add a bigger font. Let me see if we shall need to increase the font, but first of all we need to put some padding. Okay, let's say 10 pixel, and we also need margin. Let me say, yeah, margin bottom, let's say like 10 pixel. Okay, and what else do we need? Yeah, looking good. Like so. So I think that text is okay. Okay, the text is okay, so I don't want to concentrate on the styling part of it, so I think this one is okay. Let's make this at the center, and that one is very simple. And it's inside here. So let's just say container, and we just want to grab the header and just say text align to center, just like that. Yeah, it's going to be on the center. And I think I need this the input field to be a little bigger than that. Okay, but there is no problem with this. You can, yeah. So what else do I need here to add? Let's come and style this this button here, the sign in button. And we need to put like so, and we need to put padding of 10 pixel like so. I also want to put border of none, outline none, and let's do this. Let's put a border radius of, let's say, 10 pixel like so. And I also want to put a margin of top, let's say 10 pixel. All right, so you can see now it's a little bit separated. Okay. Yeah, I think that's our login form. We need to add something else. We need to add some link here. In case you don't have an account, I want you to have the links there to add the accounts. Okay, so before that, I think I want to increase the size of this. Okay, the size of the buttons here, I think they are a little bit smaller, and I don't know how I will add that one. Let me say this, let me increase the padding and see if that will work. It's becoming, let's just use width, and let's say 200 pixel. So this is why I don't like doing tutorials for CSS, because CSS can take a lot of time, right? So I'm doing this from scratch. I think that's okay. The size of that it's okay. We are not going to add any CSS, okay? Any big stylings, okay? Let me just do that button a little bit. We can come here and let me just add a background color, and we are going to use the blue color, right? Because we want the button needs to shout a little bit. It's called an call for action. Okay, input wrapper like so, and I also to grab my button, and I need to say hover. We just want to change this to let's put this one to change the percentage to 70 like so. Yeah, so when I hover, also let's put the cursor, and here let's change the color to to be also quite smoke like so. And let me see how, yeah, you can see now it's coming together. Yeah, when you hover there is that effect. Yeah, for the styling, yeah, this one is just this one are just for in Google, so don't worry about that. That's just a function. This functionality is just for Google, right? And yeah, so the next thing I want to add on the login page, I want to add in a link. If you don't have the login credential, you need a link to sign up. All right, so and also you need another link to set password if you've forgotten your password. All right, so let's go there and do that. And let's do that. Let's come here just after the form. Let's add another div so that we'll be able to style it. Let's put a class name of links. No, let me put what links wrapper, like so. Okay, so I need here to have a link. And we need the name of the link, and I'm going to say forgot password. And also I need another link here. And this one I'm going to say already not let me say don't have an account or let me say this: create an account, create account. Yeah, like so. You can see now they are there, and I can come here. Let me just now go and style this one, and we name them inputs links wrapper. Look like so. I need to confirm the name, links wrapper. Yeah. So we want them to be display flex, right? And justify content center and flex direction column, like so. Let's see if that's working. Yeah, that's better. And I also want a space between this login button and the forgot password. Okay, so here I can say a gap. Let me just add a gap before that on the items of 0.8 rem. Okay, and we need to add margin. All right, a margin of, let me say, 10 pixel. I think 10 pixel is enough. No, let's add more. Let's add 15, and we need to close this the gap between the items a little bit. Yeah, I've just increased this space here, and yeah, like so. Can also add a question mark here. Let me just do that. Okay, create account. Yeah. So let's put some hover effect on these buttons here, and remove the underlines. And let me see where I'm going to use that. Let's say I want to remove the link, the style. So I think I'm going to use text decoration to none, and that is going to remove the underlines, like so. And of course, when you hover, I want them to be underlined, right? So on hover, I want them to have the underline, and I also want to change color to this one. Right. So let me see. Yeah, you can see it's changing. Okay, so we are going to add this functionality right there. Right now we don't have any functionality on them. Okay, so that's it for our login. Yeah, and yeah, I think it's looking okay. Now let's go and create our sign up page. No, before that, before we go to our sign up page, I need these links. We are going to use the React root DOM. Okay, React router DOM. Okay, so what I need to do now, I'm going to install the React router DOM. So we are going to, if you have not seen my router DOM tutorial, please consider doing so. If you don't understand what I'm doing. Okay, so you need to come here to where your app is, where the React restrict mode is. So we need to import browser router from React DOM. Okay, and I need to wrap this one in that browser router, like so. Okay, like so. So that's the first thing you need to do when you want to use the React router DOM. Okay, and so I can come back to my app here, and I need now to import roots roots, and we also need roots. Okay, like so. We need a root and roots. Okay, and I can remove this. Okay, no, I don't even need to remove that, but I'll need this so that I can have that, the login, like so. And now I want to add the root, and here we are going to use the roots. Okay, and you need to put now the root. Okay, let's put path. Okay, and for our login, that will be our default. So when you visit the site, we want the login page to be the first thing you see. All right, so I'm going to set it as that, and we need an element here. So if you've not watched my tutorial on the React root, please consider watching that. And I'm going to display the login here, the login component, like so. And of course we need to close this one. All right, so that's very simple, just like that. Okay, and now let's come to, so I think I don't even need this one now. Yeah, no, let me see. Yeah, but let me just keep it there. So let's come to our login, and we need now these links. We need to add the correct format here. So I'm going to use the nav link. Okay, let's use the nav link, and of course I'll need to import that. Okay, I'll need to import that nav link, and I can now say and here we'll have to, and we want to go to / forgot password. Yeah, let me just say that, forgot password. And also this one, we need to do the same thing. We are going to use the nav link. We need a tool there, and for this one it's signing. So I'm going to say sign up, like so. Okay, and I need to say like so. And you can see I've imported it there. When I just click enter, and it's just automatically imports that there. All right, if you're using VS Code, that's what it does. So make sure that it's imported, because if it's not, you're going to have an error saying that nav link is not defined. Okay, so let's go back, and I just need to confirm my, so as you can see now we have to, because of this link here, because of this, that's what I was saying, we don't need this right now. Okay, because our URL, it's the home page. All right, it's the home page. All right, so that's now our login. I think now it's complete. So when I click forgot password, you can see it has gone to forgot password. All right, and when I go to create account, it will go to sign up. All right, so let's create those two components, and I'm going to start with the create the sign up one. Okay, so let me go back to my component, and let's create a component and name it sign up.jsx, like so. And yeah, let's use our shortcut for boilerplate like so. And I want to take this, so I'll just have the same thing like so, right? But I'm just going to edit some different things. Okay, like so. Okay, so I'm going to edit this one. It's not login, it's sign up, and email will be just like that. Then we have password, that's fine. Login, that's fine. Let me say sign up. So let me even change this one to create account. Okay, like so. And we need to add some things. Okay, it's not working because we need to import it here. Import sign up, and also we need to add the path for our sign up. So I'm just going to put I think we said it sign up, because this one they need to be the same. Okay, sign up. Okay, it need to be the same sign up. Yeah, and here we want to display the sign up component like so. All right, so I think that one should work, and why is not working? Okay, I think it's because we need to import the nav link. So you need to be very careful. Okay, import nav link from React router DOM like so. Okay, and you can see now it's available there. So here you can add, we are going to change this one to so if you already have an account, it should take you to login. Okay, so let me say this, let me say already have an account like so. We'll say login like so. So I'm going to change this one to the login page, which is just that empty, and I don't think we need this one here. Yeah, we don't need that one there. Right, yeah, like so. So already have an account, login. Okay, and of course when you click login, you can see now it's bringing you to the login page. When you click create account, it's bringing you to create an account. And of course now you can add any other input you want here. In case you want to add a confirm password, you're just going to add confirm password there. Okay, and it will check that. Okay, so right now there's nothing that's happening. These autofills are for these ones. So we have this link here. When you click it, it's coming to the login, and when you create, okay, so let's now create this forgot password. Okay, forgot password link. So I'm going to come to the component again, and I'm going to create let's create that forgot password component. I'm just name it forgot password .jsx. All right, and I just need to use my boilerplate code there, and now coming to this, and you can just copy here and come to password, and like so. Okay, and here I can say go back to login, like that. Then this one I need to say reset password, like so. And we don't need this, the password field, we don't need it there. And this one we are going to change to the same, just enter your email. Yeah, that's okay. Enter email. And this one we are going to change to reset password, like so. So let's import this nav link so that we don't get the error nav link there. And we need to import this one on our app. So let's come here and import forgot password, and we need to add a link to that, not a link but the root for that. And I'm going to say forgot password. I think that's what I used. And here we are going to display that component. All right, I think I used this one. I can just check it on the URL. Yeah, I used that one, and you can now see that. All right, you can see forgot. Let's add some spacing between this the h1 and the form a little. Let me do that. Where is that h1? This one. Let me put a margin. Let's put 20 pixel so that I can have a space. Okay, yeah, like so. All right, so I have that space. Reset password, and I think the text is very big, so I can also change the font here and say 1.2 rem. Okay. Yeah, it's smaller. 5. I just want it to be a little bigger than the rest. Yeah, but not too big. Yeah, like that one is okay. I think that one is okay. And you can click go back to login, and you can see. Okay, so as you can see now, I've created the roots, and I can navigate all through my my application. I can put the link there, and I can say reset password. Okay, yeah, it's that simple. And let me just add a full stop here. So what I've not included and it's something that I forgot. It's to add an element here whereby when you click reset password, it's going to give you a message, and it's going to tell you that the password has been sent to your email, a reset link to your email. So to do that, let me do this. Let me see how I'll do that. I need to enclose this one in I'll need to do this and put this one, because I don't want it to be. Let me see if I can do this. Let me see if I put here and say a reset link has been sent to your email, like so. Let me see how that looks like. Yeah, I don't want it to interfere with the size of this, so let me see. Let me see if I add okay, I can't do that because I need to close this one like so, and the same thing, which is not looking good. Or I can say this, check your email. So let me do this like so, and I want to add here a message, and let me come to Bootstrap. Okay, we are going to use the Bootstrap alert. Okay, and yeah, so I need to use this one. So I'll come here to Ninja, like so, and I can put it there, and of course I can change this one to name, like so, and we need to install Bootstrap. Okay, we need to install npm install Bootstrap, and you can come to your JSON and you'll see if it's installed, and you don't need to cram these things. You're just going to, as you can see here, npm install Bootstrap. Okay, and to use it you need to import it like so. All right, so I'm just going to copy that, and let me see if it's added to. So you can see here Bootstrap has been added, so I can close that JSON file, and whenever I'm using that, I think because I'm using in all the component, if I add here that bootstrap class, I think that one should work. Yeah. Okay. You can see now it has been added there and it's not interfering with our input fields. Okay. Yeah. So what now I can do, I don't want the alert, I want the success one. So I can just change to alert to success. Okay. Let me go to forgot password, and this one I'm going to change to success, like so. And of course we need to change this to a reset link bin. Okay, reset link sent to email, like so. Yeah, you can see now you'll have that that message there, a reset link sent to your email. All right, so when you click this one will appear. Okay, and of course now we also need that one on here, so that when you put the incorrect credential, it will appear. All right. Okay, so I just want to finish up with this what we call the markup, so that we can go to doing the functionality. So for the sign up, I'll also have that, and I can just do this. I can paste that one there, and I can cut that, and we just need to do that, and everything will be fine. Okay, I've just added this. All right, and everything now is fine. And for the sign up, of course, here I want this one to be danger, like so. And here I want to say the email already exist, because if the email exists, I don't want to create that. I don't want to create that account. Okay, so that's why I'm saying the email already exists. Okay, and this one, don't worry about this one. We are going just to use the condition rendering on React, so that will render this one. So at first you are not going to have this one. All right. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how to do that, and let's go back to login, and we also add that one there. So we need to come here to the login, and no, I just need this one. And you just need to put that, then you can put your code there, and you can just remove this one there, and I'll come here and I'll close it, like so. All right, this one I just want to write invalid email or password, like so. right? Yeah, like so, invalid email password, okay, or password, right? So these are just messages to check. If you put wrong password and you click login, it will give you that. All right, so that's very simple. So I think we are done with our markup, everything. So now we need to go to the functionality, and we are going to start with the create account functionality. All right, create account functionality, and of course we are going to use the Firebase database.